So in crankbait fishing, there's so many different sizes, shapes, colors to choose from. And you know, one of the things that you definitely need to pay attention to, no matter what body of water that you're on, is pay attention to the forage, okay? So in a situation like this, we're on Lake Oahe, there's been a recent boom of gizzard shad, okay? So these fish have really turned on to more of your shad profiles, of course, like the Berkeley flicker shad. This was a really good bait for us for the slot fish. But then as you move up, there's other profiles and shapes. The number 9 flicker minnow was hands down the best bait for us here. The number 9 has a little bit more of a subtle action, but then as we move up, either the number 11 flicker shad, or now we've got another choice, and that's the number 12 hit stick. The hit stick, in my opinion, is a much more aggressive bait, and when the fish are really fired up, you're gonna get a lot more bites on this. The flicker minnow is the one that I'm gonna lean to when the conditions are a little bit tougher and the fish are being a little bit more finicky. At least that's what they showed us here this week.